Hey guys, it's me, Lance. I know, ang tagal kong nawala. But I'm back with a little slice of life from our home province, Oriental Mindoro. This isn't some big cinematic travel vlog. It's just us. A simple family day out, full of rain, rivers, wrong turns, and kind of memories that you don't plan, but never forget. The day started simple. Me on a mission. Goal, Pandesal. A Filipino classic. No breakfast hits the same without it. Once everyone was up and fed, we hit the road. Destination, Bongabong. Specifically a local swimming spot called Lisap. At first, perfect weather. Clear skies, good vibes. But you know how it is. Pilipinas best. 1 second sunny, next, boom, baha level ulan. Then, clear again. Then, ulan ulit. Wild. Eventually, we reached Lisap Bridge. But here's the twist. We weren't sure if this was the right place. Locals said we were in the right spot, but my gut said otherwise. Zero signal, heavy rain. And in a moment of panic, I made the call. Let's just go somewhere else. Wrong move.
Uh-oh.
We were already there. I just didn't double check. Classic Lance moment. So off we went again. Plan B. Rico Haw's place. Thankfully, the rest of the ride, chill. About 20 more minutes and we arrived. Now let's talk about expectations versus reality. The place, kinda bare. Under construction pa yung iba. But here's the thing, it was packed. Families everywhere, cottages full, grills fired up, laughter in the air, and slowly the place grew on me. 300 pesos for a cottage, yung floaties, 100 for 4 hours. They had a tindahan with snacks and beer. Restrooms were pay-per-use. Now to the fun part, the river. At first, nakaka-intimidate. But once we found our footing, grabe, sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam. I will now try this on the water. Let's see how fun it is. Naihi ka, no? Bansud. The water was shallow. 1 to 3 feet lang.
A few moments later.
Uy, baka mali. Oh, yan. Oo nga, delikado si Mama Dine, ano?
Adalin ko sa bahay.
Ah! It's so strong. Time to try the floaties. Okay. Ah! Yuko. Enjoy. Bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye. Ay, ayoko milos. Labas.
The floatie was too soft and my back was exposed.
Ayan na. Bye-bye. Woo! Ay, hindi kontrolado ay. Ay, teka. I cannot control it at all. Ayun.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
My back! Oh, my back!
Baba! I tried to stand but the current dragged me. Alam mo yung pilit kang cool pero obvious na sumemplang ka? Yeah, that.
Sakit ah. Ano ba ito?
Let's see. Let's try another way. Try to recover, switch positions, wrong move ulit.
strong. It's quite low. Baba. The water is quite low. The rocks are hitting my back. It's ridiculous. Oh.
Too shallow, bruised my knee bad in front of everyone. Kakahiya.
That hurts quite a lot.
But I wasn't going out like that. So I went back to the shop, had the floaty pump tight. Solid na ngayon.
Hirap na hirap pa oh.
Ay, ang hirap naman kapag ganare. Hindi rin makontrol.
Wala. Hindi makontrol. Shit. Ay. Hindi makontrol. Napupunta ako sa ano, bato.
Second attempt, I sat properly, went down the river again. Still no control, but this time my confidence.
Bahala na. Ay, excuse me. Walang control.
Hey, hello po.
Hello. Hindi ko makontrol talaga. Hi.
We rode the current over and over for about an hour.
Ganyan na lang. Hindi ka lalim. Bara na ako.
That's rough.
Ba't sila gumagawa ng dam? Yan no.
I finally figured out why they made those dams. Turns out they were making safe pools for the little kids. Galing no? Functional and very wholesome.
Yun. Makita. Bawa na picture. Tara, nagantay si mama dun ay oh.
Eventually we packed and went home. Tired and happy. But the day had one more twist. No internet, not even mobile data. So plan C. Guys, labas tayo ulit? After some convincing, Mom said yes. Let's head out. So we headed to Bansud Plaza. Sibling says it had a nice light display. And wow, it did. Late at night, but the plaza was still glowing. Families walking around, cool air, chill lang. There's also a swing here. Very bright. It can fit at least 3 people. 3 small people, that is. That's nice. Ah, this looks fun. It's like a little... it's a slide. Bidyoan ko lang kayo saglit. We finally got some signal, so you know, scroll, scroll, scroll. Let's try this.
Parang nakakatakot eh. Parang ang bilis. At taas. Oh, scroll. No way. No. Not for adults. And it's too steep. It's crazy. Lang. Kamusta naman, ma?
Fine, I'm fine.
You're fine, thank you.
I'm fine.
You're fine. Tapos na kayo mag-ano? Libot?
Feel sleepy na. I feel sleepy na. I want to sleep na.
But guess what? Still not ready to go home. Last stop, either Jollibee or McDo in Pinamalayan. Both open 24/7. We voted. Jollibee wins. Most of us got the spicy chicken joy. My sister went with her custom mix and match combo. Fast, greasy, perfect. So yeah, that was our day. A little messy, kinda chaotic, but real. Full of wrong turns, literal bruises, and lots of laughs. And honestly, those are the best kind of days. Hope we get more of them. Thanks for coming along. Ingat palagi and see you on the next ride.